guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be at Streets of Willow, and today's going to be a little bit of a special video as I'm going to be reviewing my good friend Joel's, what year is this car again?
2017.
It's a 2017 Civic Si. I'm going to hand the mic to Joel and I want him to kind of go over some of the modifications that he has done to the car, and we're going to go from there.
So for engine, it's relatively mild Hondata plus 6 PSI. K&N drop-in filter, Garrett Intercooler for better cooling. Most of the work on this car, it's all in the suspension. Product manager for Whiteline suspension, so it has pretty much the full catalog of suspension parts, including front and rear sway bars, endlinks, control arm bushings, anti-lift kit, adjustable control arms in the rear. And then we're also out here testing a couple new things: roll center correction kit, bump steer kit for the front, and also our offset upper strut mounts for more caster and camber. But other than that, it's really just a couple off-the-shelf parts from the Type R. I got the exhaust from it and shifter. Yeah, it's my daily driver.
Ran this car before here a couple times. I've taken it to autocross with him, and I've actually done Streets of Willow clockwise. The car was pretty much the same. We were on a different set of tires. Actually, I feel like they were worse tires. We're on some Firehawk, Indy Firehawks. It's a 340 treadwear, and that's really about it. It's just a good handling car with all the modifications that he's done from Whiteline on it. And I'm gonna be going out here in a couple minutes, and I'm gonna hook the mic up, and we're gonna see how it goes. Kind of my first session, and then the second session out, I'm not gonna be talking. I'm gonna try to be going a little bit quicker. The last time I was here, I was able to do a 126, and basically kind of the same configuration, other than some of the extra Whiteline parts that he's put on here and the different tires. So I'm hoping for a 26 to match it. Maybe get down to a 25. It's really good conditions here other than the wind, and the traffic isn't really that bad on this run group, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, first session in Joel's 2017 Civic Si with mostly suspension mods, Hondata tune. His brakes are bitey, which is good. I wanted to oversteer right there. I haven't driven this track in a while with this car, so I'm kind of getting the jitters out. Drop it to third for the bowl. We'll go around whatever this Lotus thing is. He needs to pass him up right here. There you go. And that will conclude today's sessions in Joel's 2017 Honda Civic Si. Hope you guys liked the quick little commentary on the track. I was able to best a 128 and a couple tenths. Last time I was here, I was able to do a 126. Conditions were a little bit different. We had a little bit different tires as well. I was messing around with tire pressures today, ended up on a sweet spot that helped me out, and that's when I was able to get my 28. Overall, super fun car to drive. All the suspension modifications that Joel have done has been phenomenal in the way the car steers and how agile it is for being a front-wheel drive car. And that's about it. Hope you guys like the content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.